It's tough times in our economy right now. Price volatility has put strains on even the strongest of budgets. The economy needs energy to strengthen and grow.
Money has been pouring into companies that can make you rich while helping the environment at the same time. An exchange-traded fund that tracks green stocks has grown almost 500% since last year, rewarding investors in the process. Companies such as First Solar have not only seen their share prices surge, they have also gained increasing attention from Wall Street analysts, enamored with their huge growth potential. With oil now firmly established above $90 a barrel in states such as California pushing for more solar panels on ordinary homes, plus a growing number of companies for investors to choose from, there's never been a better time to think of adding some green to your portfolio.
Financial crisis has investors wondering when and where to buy. One area that had been getting a lot of attention before the financial crisis intensified was the renewable energy area. The presidential candidates have been pushing their energy plans that have included big investments in areas including solar, wind, geothermal, and more. Also, a recent extension of tax credits for renewable energy heated up shares of solar companies and wind companies for a while.
Michelle, we don't try to play the next 3 weeks or 4 weeks of the energy markets. We take it from an investor's standpoint, and we look at maybe 1 to 2 years. And just like you mentioned, volatility has been in the energy market, and that's very common in this particular sector. So I think investors, if they could just, buy a well-diversified portfolio of energy stocks, turn off their computer monitors for a year or two, I think they go back and check, they're going to find that energy prices will probably be higher.
All right, so JC, you are long-term bullish. Brian, how do you feel?
I feel the same way. I'm extremely bullish long-term. In the next 9 years, the world has to find an extra 19 million barrels of oil to meet demand as we go from 85 million barrels of oil per day to 103 million barrels of oil per day. That's going to, because of the supply situation is pretty tight, we believe that prices are either going to find a level here between 60 and 65, but long-term, they're going up from here.